Hey guys, Crystal Thompson here for Unity. I am doing Color Combo Christmas series today. We are using a couple of some older sets to make these really fun and festive cards for Christmas in July. We are going to begin with Flurry of Flakes. We're going to be using Distress Oxides and Lucky Clover, Fired Brick, and Antique Linen, along with our ink blenders. Using Conspiracy of Love, it's an October kit of the month. We're going to begin by placing some washi tape on our white cardstock. I'm using a thicker piece of washi. And because this is going to be set on a Misty, I'm actually tying or adhering the back of that washi all the way to the back of this cardstock. Okay. Now we're going to place that cardstock onto the Misty, and I have pre-assembled the Flurry of Flakes onto my Misty using some embossing ink, which is a clear ink. We are going to stamp this onto that. Using white embossing powder, I'm going to place some onto the embossing ink, remove the excess, and heat set it. Now we're going to be using our Distress Oxides. Begin with Lucky Clover onto the corner, then moving on to Fired Brick, and I'm trying to do circles. You can do all sorts of techniques with this. You can do a bouquet, just by doing circles of each one. You can do lines, you can do stripes, you can do anything you like. Once I am done blending, I'm going to remove the actual washi tape very carefully. Try to pull sideways and not up so you don't tear the actual cardstock. Now it's time for a sentiment. I'm using Espresso from Altenew, and I just felt the brown would match a little better with that antique linen. I'm gonna stamp the sentiment, Merry Christmas, from Conspiracy of Love. And then with some gold spray, I'm going to add a couple flickers just to tie in that July color combo. I hope you've enjoyed this tutorial. Thank you so much for joining me. Please leave a sweet comment below. Give this a thumbs up. And if you're not a subscriber, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much. Have an awesome day.